Yeah, this is how things have shaped up for the Pakhtoons. The beginning wasn't so special. They lost a couple of early wickets, and then Fakhar Zaman with a booming knock, 45 from 22. Dawson laid into the opposition as well, 44 from 23. Afridi was run out for 10 and Najib remained not out on 9. 121 for the loss of 4. Not a bad total. Right then, what about the Maratha Arabians batting? Imad picked up a couple of wickets, and the others tried their hand at it but weren't that successful. Ahmed with good analysis. 2 overs, none for 13. Remember, bowler cannot bowl more than 2 overs in this contest. Sami was was taken to the cleaners. 1 over, none for 23. And Dwayne Bravo, who bowled the last over, 2 overs, none for 23.
बहुत जल्दी में हो क्या?
ज़रीन खान, पख्तून को सपोर्ट करती हो?
Yes, I'm a proud Pakhtoon. Shahid?
See you on the ground.
Pakhtoon, united with GP Lubricants.
Well, this was the wicket first over by Imad Wasim. Fantastic start for him in this tournament. And then second wicket went down. Sehwag diving full length. But then Dawson and Fakhar Zaman steadied the innings. This was unfortunate for Ahmed Shahzad. Imad Wasim was on a roll at this point. But after that, Dawson came in. And Fakhar Zaman carried on. That partnership was solid. As houses, Fakhar Zaman carrying his bat till the end of the innings, scoring 45 runs. In 22 deliveries he got to face.
Yeah, this was pretty special from Dawson against Mohammad Sami. That was the first 6 clubbed over long on, then a straight 6. Meantime, Fakhar Zaman earning himself a 6, slicing it over the rope. Very engaging, very pleasant looking partnership. Some forceful drives to the offside. And this was hardly timed. Almost a half attempt at hitting a 6, but he got a great result out of it. And then Dawson was run out. Mohammad Amir hitting the stumps on the full. Again, a punishing cover drive from Fakhar Zaman. Is a very fine striker. Shahid Afridi hitting that one away over the point fielder, and then finding the fence on the full, slicing it for a 6. Yeah, he wanted a run, but he was short of the crease. Kamran Akmal hitting the stumps, and he was run out. Bravo was put away for a 6, a fabulous straight 6. Flick earned Fakhar Zaman a 4. Villion with a good effort, couldn't stop the ball.
बहुत जल्दी में हो क्या?
ज़रीन खान, पख्तून को सपोर्ट करती हो?
Yes, I'm a proud Pakhtoon. Shahid?
See you on the ground.
Pakhtoon, united with GP Lubricants.
So he ended up. And confirmation of the Lone Star. The Lone Ranger, in fact, is Alex Hales. 57 from 26 and double figures till Viljoen. And that's it. Everyone else couldn't really get out of first gear. Got knocked over by a certain Shahid Afridi and Mohammad Afan early doors. And Sahel picked up a couple of wickets as well. So 11 extras in their 10 overs and could only get to 96 for 7. Hales made practically 60% of the team score. And bowling confirmation. Afridi with the hat-trick, Sahel with a couple of rippers, and Mohammad Afan up front with the new seed. Got 2 for 19 from his 2. A wonderful outing by the Pakhtoons. Highlights, Roshan Amasinghe, good to see you.
Well, Kamran Akmal was looking to blast the bowling of the very first ball. So they were chasing a big target. And he meant business. 2 very good shots. But then this picnic, that's where it all started. Mohammad Irfan just kept going. Lendl Simmons announced himself with the boundary, but look what happens here. Just gets across. And that full toss he plays on to the leg stump. Well, this was Riley Russo. Alex Hales continued his good batting. Some delightful shots. Picked the slow ones. Wasn't afraid to go over the top. And anything short and wide, he was very, very punishing. And take a look at this catch. That was Riley Russo. And this was Afridi's first wicket. And then Bravo, the very next ball, and Shahid Afridi was on a hat-trick. And would you believe who the hat-trick victim was? It's Virendra Sehwag. Out of the very first ball, just clipping. It was an umpire's call, but still, it looked out, and Shahid Afridi created history. And wickets just continued to tumble. Maratha Arabians, they were never in control. 2 lucky shots and some good ones as well. This is Alex Hales. Just kept playing some delightful shots, drives past the bowler. And then, as I said, wickets at the other end continued to bother the Maratha Arabians, and they were never in the game. But Alex Hales was a lone crusader. Did make a very fine half century, 57 of 26 balls.
बहुत जल्दी में हो क्या?
ज़रीन खान, पख्तून को सपोर्ट करती हो?
Yes, I'm a proud Pakhtoon. Shahid?
See you on the ground.
Pakhtoon, united with GP Lubricants.
Striking at 219.20.
Second match of this inaugural Hera T10. Pakhtoons, they posted 121 for 4, and by and large to Fakhar Zaman's their 45 not out. Dawson 44 in very quick time. And the Arabians, they could only get to 96 for 7 in their 10. A win by 25 to the Pakhtoons. We're going to take a quick break, come back with the post-match presentation.
Powered by GP Lubricant, proud sponsor of Pakhtoon cricket team.